look at me, trying to get a hug out of sleeping in your t-shirt. He's not you, she's not me, and every time we see each other we wish we had said something first. I think we both should have said, hey, I know we had our ups and downs, smiles and frowns, but you're not all bad, and I don't think I'm...
Welcome back to the first episode of the install. I am representing the back rider shirt. I got an order for my 3-piece system. I laid everything out here. I already put some stuff on the trunk. All I have to do is the wirings, run the wirings from the back to the front, and that's pretty much it. I'll show y'all on the trunk what I've got going on so far. So first, everything's not screwed in. It's just set on place, but it's not screwed down. So I got my 5-gallon tank, the ECU, and the 2 compressors in the back. And next step up to this is wiring, pulling the wires from back here to the front. So let's get that. Oh my God, it's attacking me. It's too much wires, guys. I'm just kidding. It might look intimidating. So it's a lot of wires. Well, it's only like basically 3 wires. Most of it is gonna be hooked in the back out here. And all this you have to put to the front. And so if you have a second compressor, your second compressor harness hooks up to the main one, like so. And then the red and red go to the compressors. Help of my lovely assistant, we ran the cables underneath the seat. We just took out this plastic. We ran the cables through here all the way on this side, and it came out through here. So now we're gonna run them all the way down through the firewall for both compressor lines. The USB stays inside the cabinet, and also the ignition switch is gonna go out through the front. Just got done screwing on the compressors. Just gonna hook up the tank and run the lines, and also put the bags on. So compressors are mounted and hooked up already. Also, as the tank. The ECU. I just gotta put everything back together, and I still gotta hook up the bags. I'm gonna end up the video here. As you can see, the compressor's not aligned with the box up front. I just threw them on. I didn't even measure, and I'm exhausted. But it is what it is. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 for this install and run the lines and still put the airbags on. But thanks for watching, bros. Keep tuning. I'm just tired. I don't even know what to say. Stay safe. Hey guys, so I didn't want to end the video that way. It's later on the day. I didn't mean when I said it was, you know, it is what it is. I was just very tired. But stay tuned for part 2. As you know, you can always follow my medias. I only have Instagram and Snapchat. I'll post the links up here somewhere, or the info, and just stay tuned for part 2, guys. See y'all soon.